You crashed? Isn't that supposed to be neat crashing everything?
I know. That's your job.
It feels good.
Good.
The little things that count.
Alright, man, so tell us who you are and what you're sitting next to.
So my name's George Hammel. I'm a professional athlete and off-road racer, and this is one of the cars we built, the latest car. It's a Yamaha YXZ. UTVs were like I'm gonna call it a default after I got hurt. So I broke my back riding professional motocross. I grew up doing that like on off-road and dirt and stuff like that. So these were a natural progression. And I wasn't supposed to be able to walk again, and being able to get back on a dirt bike, and I rode a bicycle, I did an Ironman, and did some really cool stuff. And then UTVs was you know, a growing passion. And it just evolved into really serious professional racing with the Lucas Off-Road Series, and now doing some desert stuff with the UTV World Championship. It's awesome. It's pretty stock. It still uses the 5-speed sequential gearbox, and we just make the pedals a little bit bigger so that I can hit them. And we move the clutch from a clutch pedal to a clutch lever, much like a street bike, and we put it on the shifting mechanism. So I can still use my feet to drive, but I use these solid carbon fiber leg braces, and I just kind of move my foot up and down. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. It's just a really fun vehicle to drive. The engines are stock prepped, so they're just gone through. They don't have any porting, they don't have any head work, they don't have any different gearing changes or anything. All they are is just cleaned up. And this particular vehicle has an ECU tune. It has the secondary air filter removed, and then it obviously has better electronic stuff with the AEM products that we use. We just got the new CD7 dash installed, so that's awesome. I'm stoked on that thing. I'm really, really passionate about data. I really want to know what's going on. I've been so focused on myself and understanding what I can do physically as a person. I always rely on what data my body is giving back to me. So knowing what the vehicle is doing and getting data back from the vehicle is a huge, huge thing for me. So being an analytical person, I want to know everything about it. And building the cars, helping other teams build their cars, and being able to understand what they can do better is huge for us. The Yamaha YXZ doesn't have a cooling temperature display, so that was the first one that we purchased. And the oil pressure, air fuel, we use that in our Polaris RACER when we rode Polaris vehicles, and it's escalated now to the CD7. UTV World Championship is our next race. It's April 5th, 6th, and 7th in Laughlin, Nevada. It's the biggest UTV race in the world.
Well, I tell you, it's still really painful, and it's still a long road to recovery, but I'm blessed. I'm lucky I can do stuff like this. It's really hard work, and it's a lot of pain, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get better. And I think this is going to help out, especially mentally. Never give up. Woo!